So, Hemavex Gluco Capsules are basically marketed as a supplement designed to support healthy blood sugar levels and metabolism. The claims can sound impressive, but this is one area where I'd be especially careful about what the marketing actually proves. The biggest thing I'd look at is the ingredient list and dosages. Even if individual ingredients have been studied for blood sugar support, that doesn't automatically mean this particular formula will meaningfully lower blood sugar or work like diabetes medication. I'd also be cautious with claims about weight loss, insulin sensitivity, or reversing blood sugar problems. A supplement shouldn't be treated as a replacement for proven medical treatment, especially if you're already taking medication. So, are Hemavex Gluco Capsules worth buying? I wouldn't expect dramatic results based purely on the marketing. Check the ingredients, evidence, company reputation, and any potential interactions before spending your money. Overall, I'd treat it as a supplement rather than a proven solution for blood sugar problems. If you're concerned about your blood sugar, getting proper medical advice is much more important than relying on a product's sales claims. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.